going on, man? Alright, so this one also, we don't know what's going on with it, but someone had to sign up to that says takes money but does not start, do not use. So let's see what's going on with this one. So right off the back, I can see that the timer is totally off position. It's not where it's supposed to be. Matter of fact, let me see if I can show you guys. You can see right there. That timer is not at its position. It's facing down. Should be up. So I really have to get really gotta get a head camera, so please like and subscribe. Let's see. This is the timer. What's inside there? This is the thing that I'm actually messing with. It seems to be upside down. It's actually supposed to be like that, and then it starts counting. It's all the way around, completes the cycle, and it stops right there. This one, either they put it upside down, or something's wrong there. But what I'm gonna do, since that position is on, I'm gonna flip it around. Actually, I'm sorry, this position is supposed to be off. So we'll flip it back up. See what happens. it looks like what we got here was a timer issue. So the sign there said that people were putting their money in and it wasn't working. So the reason why was because the little arm that is hit by the latch when you put your money in wasn't triggering the timer because it was upside down. So basically the latch wasn't there to hit it because it was down here. It's supposed to be here so you can hit it, and then it triggers it and the timer starts. That wasn't happening, so what I did was I took the timer out, took it apart, basically disassembled it to make sure the latch is back upside the way it's supposed to be. I'm not sure how it got turned upside down. That's something I'm gonna try to figure out myself because I've never seen that before. But I got it back up the way it's supposed to be going. I'm finishing the cycle now. Looks like everything is good as long as it finishes and it doesn't do that again. I think we're good here. Yeah. Oh, also, by the way, I kept coming out of the screen because right here next door, I have a dryer that I'm actually working on as well. But that one is not reaching the temperature. Basically, on that guy, it's also a GE. It's not reaching its temperature. It's this one here. It's supposed to be reaching a little bit over 160 Fahrenheit. Then fluctuating back and forth. This one's not doing that. This one is reaching about 154, and it stops dropping down. Then it goes back up and back down, back up and back down, kind of like your stove oven. But this one is supposed to be reaching at least a temperature, a minimum 160, and then fluctuating anywhere between that, maybe as high as 190 sometimes, just depending on how good these vents are. If you can see, they have this tube that comes out, goes all the way to the top, so that kind of makes it hard for them to actually vent out. Those things get super hot, and kind of struggles. And then these things also, they're not the cleanest inside, so I always recommend them to let's clean them out, but money, money, money. Hopefully, I'll get a chance to make an actual video of just the dryer, because I didn't want him to do that, and he got me a good one. No, that's what's going down. Also, for this timer here, let me see, take this thing off the tripod. I don't know if you guys can be able to see this. I'm gonna have to probably turn this thing around so I can show you guys. So this is the timer right here. In order to take it out, well, actually, this is the little arm right here. This is the timer. That little piece was the one that was upside down. It has that little leg right there, and goes all the way around. When you throw your money, this little thing hits it and starts counting. Well, that thing was upside down the way you see it now, and it's actually supposed to be on top over here. So when it hits it, it heads back, comes back, then it starts doing its thing as far as counting. This one, if you guys ever need to take it off, you gotta open the top here, take these two bolts on there. They're really small. You gotta take off your clip off of here, remove it, pull it out, put the other one in. Then when you put it in, you gotta make sure you put these two screws in first a little bit, then actually, I don't know, put your clip on first, then put your screws on, and then snap on your timer on there. As you see the little holes on there, that way you can just slide it on and then bolt it on. Because if you're not doing that, you're going to be holding this thing up and fighting with holding it up and trying to put screws in there with one hand. So yeah, that's what that is. So let me turn this thing back around. Alright, looks like we did good here. Let me see. I'm going to show you guys the way. That's the way it's supposed to be. So when they put their quarters in there, that guy hits that, reaches all the way out, pulls it back, starts the cycle, and we're good to go. So there you are. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I'll see you to the next one.